Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And a special warm welcome to all our new fellow creatives who have found my little creative corner here from yesterday's Junk Journal January Day 1 video. Hi guys, it's so amazing to have you all here, and let's grab our junk journal or our journal and dive into day 2 for Junk Journal January. The prompt for day 2 is envelope, and I first thought I would maybe just use the envelope that I had in my junk journal in the beginning anyways, and then I decided to do something different, and I did get out my Chaotic Academia journaling kit. I will leave a link in the info card in the description down below, where you can download this digital printable so that you can just print it out at home and use in your journal. Or if you are interested in just getting those little envelopes for your junk journal or your journal in general to print out and have different patterns, not only this splattered ink and old book pages kind of vibes, I have a few more just mini envelopes, printables in my Etsy shop as well. So I will leave a link to those in the description down below if you want to get yourself some cool and nice aesthetic ephemera for your junk journal or your journal in general. For me, I decided to use this little envelope here. And then I did write a day 2 kind of button to include into the journal spread for today. I did thought about different ways to include the numbers of the days for a while, but then I just decided to go with the flow when I started the challenge, and today just wrote it on some old book pages to fit the envelope style in a way. And here I just include the little envelope, and then I use some washi tape to secure it a bit more onto the page so that I can flip it around without worrying about it falling off at some point or something. And then I thought I still have to add something to the spread, even though there is an envelope now and I could just tuck in a journaling card or something. I just wanted to add some stuff into the little envelope before calling it a day for today. I did get out this school lexica, old vintage book, and flipped around. But then I decided to use something of this botanical old book. I just like to collect some old books from free libraries or people who lay old books onto the streets with a sign free to take, and I like to collect those if they have some beautiful illustrations or something to include into my junk journaling. Here I'm just trying to figure out which illustration of the flower would fit into the envelope or onto the page and where to put it, and I just go with the flow on the junk journal spreads and see where the process and the ephemera is taking me. Are you taking part in Junk Journal January? Have I inspired you from yesterday's video, or maybe you just want to join now? It's never too late. I think you can always jump into a junk journaling challenge or a journaling challenge in general. There's no need to have all 31 days complete at the end of January. You can just do those where you have time, or you want to do them and you have the prompt with a special idea. So if you are inspired and want to join us, feel free to do so. I would absolutely love to see all your beautiful process videos or your pictures of your junk journaling challenge spreads on Instagram, I will definitely have an eye out for that, and can't wait to see everyone's interpretation of today's prompt. And here I did decide, instead of gluing down some of the old illustrations, I would do my own flower illustrations and just have the one I did tear out of the book inside the little envelope, like a journaling card in a way, so that you can also see both sides of the illustration. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little journaling session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you tomorrow. Until then, happy junk journaling!